Okay, I'm gonna give everybody a few minutes. I'm actually super excited about this video. I've been dying to do this one, wanting to give everybody some time to post their videos and all their experiences with all the DPC titanium coatings that have been coming out, and just everybody's having a blast with them. So the highly anticipated, highly awaited, the bad mama, the bad mamma jamma, the biggest, the baddest of them all is we're gonna do DPC T9 to install. How many people are on right now? Anybody saying hi? Okay. All right. So what do we have? We have, sorry, if we're swatting and my wife's recording, because we're trying to fight off these pterodactyl mosquitoes we got here in Texas. Okay, we are at almost 80 degrees and we are at 73% humidity. This right here, I'm gonna stress this, if you see this type of conditions, especially with that humidity, it's at 74% right now. Probably means we're gonna get some rain, but we're doing this install. This is gonna be an immediate wipe on, an immediate buff off, okay? So I'm gonna say it again. This is gonna be an immediate wipe on and an immediate buff off. And with that, you're gonna reduce the durability like 15%. That's it, okay? So a 9-year coating, 15%, okay. You know, I mean, we're like just a little over 9 months, so okay, whatever. I'm not gonna split hairs on something like that. It's a 9-year coating. Somebody's probably not even gonna keep their car that long. But I just polished this. Everything has been prepped, deconned the correct way. We're ready to rock on this, okay? So how we're gonna test this and see our flash time, I'm gonna show it to you first on the chrome up here, and then we're gonna do the application. I'm just going to do an area right here, okay? I'm just gonna do a small area right here, like a 12 by 12, okay? So my wife's gonna stay right there. I'm gonna get the applicator and all that stuff. We have our scan grip iMatch 2 that I'm gonna be showing y'all here in a second after I apply it. So give me 1 second. I forgot something really quick. Give me 2 seconds, hold on. Stay in there with me and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Okay, all right, I think we're set. Okay, here we go. So if y'all can see the chrome right here, up here, I think my wife can actually come in. You're good, baby. I'm gonna do a test area real quick, okay? And we're gonna watch this, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there. Okay, I was about 5. So like I said, immediate wipe on, wipe off. So there we go. We just had our test spot. So, oh, that is smoother than a baby's bottom, whatever you want to call smooth. Okay, 1 second, I need one more thing, and we'll be good to go. I'm going to show you all this section. Now, I'm going to apply this as if I was a rookie, all right? So, baby, you can get as close as you need to, even if you need to get over my shoulder right now, that's fine. All right, so when you make contact with the paint, I cannot stress this enough. When you make contact with the paint, you do not lift up whatsoever. Your attention is on the paint and nothing else. I'm being extremely direct. Even if you're a beginner, you can do this, okay? But I'm being very direct with you. Make contact with the applicator and T9. You do not come off of it unless you're ready to, okay? And I'm just gonna do it as if I was a beginner, and we're gonna go from here, we're gonna go left to right in a small little 12 by 12. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1, here we go. I'm gonna go over it twice, literally, that's it. I'm gonna go a little bit up high and down low one more. I want to get a nice little square for y'all. Okay, there, I'm done. And we are literally gonna go buff off, okay? I cannot, that was super easy, okay? I'm even gonna bring in my scan grip, all right? iMatch 2. We have 0 high spots, all right? I'm gonna put my headlamp on again, and we're gonna do this one more time. Hold on, I'm gonna get another applicator. I think I'm just gonna use another applicator. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time with the scan grip on. So baby, if you can get this in here, good job. Here we go, y'all. All right, so like I said, this is gonna be on and off, okay? I'm not even gonna count to 5. We're literally going on and then we're buffing off, okay? We got our DPC utility towel. Here we go, we're making contact with the paint. Boom, right there, 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 there. Doing it one more time, okay? I have over applied it on the applicator, okay? Look at that, okay? And ready? See how wet it is? And we're gone, okay? We're buffing off left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. There is no high spots. And I'm buffing over the area. They call it off the cliff, and we can get into that another day. But there is no high spots. When I'm buffing, I'm going off the cliff and over and beyond where I was actually at, okay? So, let me see this really quick so I can take y'all with me. Here we go. Look at this. There is 0. I'm a rookie, okay? Never done this before. You see how easy that was? There is no high spots. I promise you, this light would be picking it up in a heartbeat. There are no high spots whatsoever. All right, 0. We just applied a 9-year coating, okay? It is very tenacious, very strong, okay? There's 0 high spots. It was that easy, okay? So I hope this is easy enough to understand. I hope y'all can like see how like the clarity difference. It's like I did 2 little spots. There's a line of I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. I'm gonna see if I can get it. There's actually a line where I stopped. Let's see if I can pick it up. Hold on, we're gonna get this, see if I can get this light right. It is hard with this gunmetal gray, okay? Very hard with this gunmetal gray. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it's like right in there. I'll be able to show y'all tomorrow, but it's that easy, okay? I even think we have a little bit more left on our applicator. I'm gonna do it one more time right here. And yeah, I think yep, we still got some on this applicator. Here we go, hold on 1 second, here we go. I'm gonna do it really quick. And making contact. Y'all can see it, you can see it. Can you see that? All right, there we go, sweetie. Could you hand me the, thank you so much. Can y'all see it? I'm doing that. Okay, there, look, we still had plenty on that. All right, 3, 2, buff off. See how easy that is? 9-year coating, okay? We just took all the headaches out of all this craziness and madness of these coatings that you have to be a pro and all that stuff. No, if you want to get this and try it out, look at that. That is a beautiful thing, all right? I'm gonna turn on one more time. Here we go. There's no high spots. It is that easy. You reduce it by 15% durability. There's 0 high spots, okay? And we did that in almost 80% humidity. So if this guys, this is fun. This is when it's fun, okay? So all you have to do with this is pay attention to the paint. That's all you have to do. I'm a little excited, so I'm gonna try to bring it down just a little bit, okay? All right, now I'm gonna show y'all the applicator. Look at this, look at this. Look how, you see how, yeah, I think y'all should, yeah, you can see right there how saturated I got it, okay? But this is where it's fun, okay? If you are losing 15% durability on a 9-year coating, 15%, so 10% of 9 is like, what? I'm just gonna say 10 months. We're just gonna say 10 months, okay? That's a no-brainer. Not many people are gonna keep their car for even 8 years. I mean, very few. This is even beneficial for us detailers. So put T9, put this bad mama on your car and be done. Pay the, I don't even know what it is, but if you had to break it down over like 10 years, it's like, I think it's like 7, 8, 20 bucks a year, something like that. That's simple. That's so simple. So we're reducing it. It's easy, but I can't stress, and I'm hoping this encourages all you new guys, just put it on there and wipe it off. You're gonna reduce it by 15% and you're done, okay? So just pay attention. You need to pay attention and work that 12 by 12, 18 by 18. Okay, 12 by 12 is from your elbow to your wrist. That's it. It is super simple. Anybody can do this, okay? All you have to do is pay attention. Okay, that's it. Make sure you have enough microfibers. That's something else I'm gonna say. Work clean. When you're dealing with a coating like this, you need to make sure, I always have like 15 to 20 microfibers out. I had like at least that today when I was doing the AMG G-Wagon, G63, whatever fancy one I did. But it's that easy. Anybody can do this. You just gotta relax a little bit and just make sure you have enough time. Don't rush through this. It's a pro coating, but I just did it in, yeah, thank you for the math. I'm not a, yeah, I'm a math for Marines, okay? But I'm gonna say this, it's if I can do it in almost 80% humidity, any of y'all can do this. It is that simple, it is that fun. Like this tomorrow, it's gonna be like glass, and I mean like glass. It's gonna be super smooth, super slick. I won't be able to show y'all water behavior until let's see, what is it, Tuesday? So next Tuesday, we'll come back and revisit this. Y'all saw the 3 little areas it did, and I didn't apply it anywhere else. So a third of this panel is going to look ridiculously awesome, and the other part we're just going to see, you know, hey, that's what normal flat polish paint looks like, okay? So like I said, have fun with these coatings, and this can even be applied to all of them, okay? So if you're going to reduce it by 15% on each one, you're getting a pro coating, 2, you're getting 60 mLs of product. So there is no, actually, no, there is no product like this, okay? None. Because what Scott did was he took the headache out of this. There's no leveling. You don't have to go through more towels. Well, you are, but you're not, if that makes sense. But you're taking away a step. You're applying and buffing off. Buff over the area outside the box, outside the circle, go outside the end zone, whatever you want to call it, you know, and just to make sure, okay? And it's not going to hurt to go over it 3, 4, 5 times, whatever, okay? I'm dummying this down as far as I can, Barney style, just like I would when I was in the Marine Corps and I would be teaching my Marines. Just put it on there and wipe it off and have fun with it, okay? Don't rush through this. This is supposed to be fun. This is the last step I get excited about, especially when I'm doing a client's, okay? This is the part when it's fun and you just can have a blast doing this. Just don't rush through it. This should not be the one part that you're going, yes, rush. No, this is where you need to bring it down a little bit and bring it in the garage. Yes, I'm outside, okay, but I brought it outside because I wanted y'all to see the, my word, the mosquitoes are horrible. Wanted y'all to see the flashing. I wanted y'all to see it right on there, okay? Goodson, you'll have to go back, man. What I was telling everybody is we're just going to have to pay attention and work small, but have fun with this. And each coating, if you wipe it on and then you wipe it off, you're reducing it by 15%. But it doesn't matter because it's a pro coating. And then you can reapply it. This is for any of y'all rookies, newbies, DIYers, whatever you want to call it. I'm not making fun of anybody. But if you do it like this, you can go back in another hour and reapply it, just to make sure you got your bases covered. There is no coating out there. No company out here is doing this. Nobody can touch this stuff because of how it's designed and formulated and made with the end user or the user in mind, or the pro, or whoever you are. This is free to everybody, and everybody should be taking advantage of it. I don't care who you are. This is fun, and this makes your life easy maintaining your vehicle. That's why I'm doing it. I'm actually going to be applying T9 to my whole truck, and T6 Plus is going on my wife's car, even though we just did that, but I wanted to show it to y'all. I just had to find a minute to do it. But nobody else is doing this. You're getting 60 mLs of product. You're getting more product than anybody else is out there. You can layer one of these combos together, like Scott was talking about, the T6, T3 Plus combo, but nobody can offer this. There is no other brand that can say, hey, you can wipe it on, wipe it off, and you're going to get that. Now, if you're a pro guy and you're working in the indoors, you bet you're going to get every bit of that 9 years out. 9 years, 9H, okay? That is amazing. And if you guys are doing that T6 Plus, guess what? I'm going to let y'all in on something. If you didn't know this, you can use it on boats. Great one on boats. It can go on metal. Think about it. Think about the possibilities. I'm just going to put it out there. Scott, I hope you don't kill me for saying that one. But y'all can put it on metal, okay? So pretty cool if you think about it. It can be put on rims. T6 Plus can be put on rims. It's going to get 3 years out of it. Just saying. Not a bad deal at all. So if you use half the bottle of T6 Plus, go back and do your rims. Take them off the car, put them back on, whatever. You got 3 years, easy maintenance. This is supposed to be easy now. You put all this working on one time, on one application, one coating, and you're done for 3 years on your rims, 6 years on your paint, 9 years on your paint, 3 years on your paint, whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat. If you're up north, get the T6 Plus. If I was y'all, if I lived up north and I was in the road salts and all that stuff, T6 Plus would be what I am putting on my vehicle. No questions asked. That's what I'm doing. Or the T6 Plus T3 combo. That is just a no-brainer. If you're up north, if you see snow, we don't see snow in Texas. We see little ice flurries. That doesn't count. If you're up north and you see snow and all that stuff and salt, blah, all that other stuff, I'm sorry that y'all got to deal with, T6 Plus, slap it on there. Do it now or do it before it starts snowing, because I know all of y'all up in Michigan are about to get snow here in about a month and a half or something like that. Well, we're still like 100 degrees plus in Texas. So anyways, I love y'all. I'm motivated. I'm excited. I try to slow down. I can't. I get amped up. I just get amped up, and then the more people that get on, I just get more excited. So have fun with these. look at them, see what you want. Don't overthink the moment. Don't overthink it. If I can do this, I've only been doing this for 2 years. If I can do this, y'all can do this. I'm talking to every one of y'all. Old guy, middle-aged guy, young guy, new guy, DIY guy. It doesn't matter. You got this, okay? It's easy. It's simple. Just pay attention to your little area. Wipe on, wipe off, or like the Karate Kid, wax on, wax off, okay? Be done. Have fun with it, okay? And if you get a high spot, don't worry about it. You can take care of it, okay? Especially T3. I showed y'all with T3. It's super easy. Just reapply it and buff off, okay? Don't overthink the high spots. If you work small, just like I showed you, you have nothing to worry about. There is zero worries, okay? And if you do, we'll help you get through it. It's whatever, okay? I don't know what old guy means, Tony. I'm an old guy. I'm 33, okay? So, anyways, I love y'all. I gotta get my mess cleaned up. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I gotta clean up. I gotta wash pads. I gotta get some microfibers clean. But hope y'all enjoyed this. I love y'all. Hope this helps. Hope this encourages anybody that's been kind of on the fence about these. No, it's not snake oil. Yes, these are the baddest things on the market. I can say that with complete confidence because nobody's giving 60 mLs. Nobody's giving an application that lasts as long as they do. And nobody's doing the buff off completely. You got to level, then you got to buff. Sorry, we're cutting it out, making it easier, okay? Scott did it, all right? I love y'all. Have a great night. I'll talk to y'all later.